Diamond Art Peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're returning, as always, thank you for your continuing support. I hope everybody is having a wonderful Saturday evening. It is the October the 7th. It is 8 o'clock here in Norman, Oklahoma. Today has been really nice. It was actually kind of cool this morning. I was a little chilly going to work. I think that the highest it got was like in the low 70s. So it was a nice day. I had to work today. Went in like about 8 o'clock and got finished at 1, and so I came home and I started diamond painting, which is always a good and bad thing because I diamond painted till like 7 o'clock, and so I thought I am going to have company tomorrow, so I need to pick up my apartment, and so I also needed to get a couple of videos out, so that is what I am going to do. So this is a nice box that I got from Vivian from Diamonds Around You. I finally got to order some cover minders from her, and so they were sent, and I got them today. And so I am going to do this unboxing. So that's what this box is. So I did cut it just to not to be struggling getting into it, but I have not looked inside of this box. So here we go. All right. Okay, so I have a card, so I'm going to open this first. It says thank you. Oh, and she's got stickers. I love stickers. And it says, Jack, thank you for ordering the cover minders. Oh my God. Enjoy the stickers, and they're waterproof. Diamonds Around You. And P.S. Here's a special gift for the baby. Oh, for your daughter's baby. I hope she likes it. It's something very simple. Take care, Vivian. Oh, how sweet. So here's my little thank you card. Vivian is so kind. And here's, I think this is a llama. And then a starfish. I love stickers. I absolutely love them. Oh, and a sloth. I love sloths as well. This says explore. I think this is just a baby tiger. Ah. And a dolphin. And look at that kitty sitting in a donut. How sweet. How sweet. Okay. Let me see. I'm just going to get everything out. And I told Vivian that I would let my daughter open her gift, and then I'll just post a picture of it on Facebook. So you guys, you know that if you are wanting to get cover minders for Vivian, if you don't get them ordered when she does her video, then they are gone and you have to wait. So I was just like, okay, I want these. I reached out to her as soon as I could, and then I ordered 3, and I told her to just, I gave her the 2 that I wanted, and then I told her just to surprise me with the 3rd one. So, okay. Oh my goodness, Vivian, you got just tight. I'm still struggling. Oh my gosh. Every video. I don't want to cut it. I'm not going to cut it. But she sent me some candies. I don't know what these are. They look good. And then some washi tape. I am going to open this later. And then this, I don't know what this is. I just ordered cover minders. Look at that. It's a pen. Look. I used to love these as a kid. The different colors. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you, Vivian. Oh. Okay. So now here we are. Okay, so here's the first one. So pretty. Oh, this must be this is the one that she picked. So I think this is Frida. Oh, I love her. Look at that. Let me turn out the light, because I think it's showing too much of a glare. But look. How pretty. And there's the magnet. Wow, these are strong. Oh, I love this. It's so beautiful. Oh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, Vivian, thank you so much. Ah. Okay, and then here is cover minder number 2. Because I think, if I'm not mistaken, I ordered Baby Cruella and I can't even remember the other one, but it doesn't matter. I just wanted cover minders from Vivian. And a Christmas gnome. I didn't order this. Look at that. I don't know how she does this. So it's like 3D. These are beautiful. And a nice strong magnet. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's beautiful. It's like a Santa. Oh my God, I almost dropped that. I would have smacked me. Like a Santa gnome. Oh, so beautiful. Okay. And then here is the last one. Like I said, I have been wanting, I tried to get an order in like a month ago and wasn't able to. It's Hello Kitty. Oh, Vivian, look at that. So see, I even forgot. So I got, oh my God, I love these. Absolutely love them. But these magnets are like strong. So here is the first one. I love this. I love this, I think, even more than the Baby Cruella. And then our Santa gnome. And oh my God, Hello Kitty. So you know I will be pulling out Hello Kitty for next month. And then I got the pen. Oh, so cute. And then a bag of candy. I can't wait to get into these with the washi tape. Vivian, thank you so much. You are just the sweetest person ever. If you guys have not checked out Vivian, please go to Diamonds Around Her. You will love her channel. She does unboxings and completions, and she is so funny. I cannot wait for her videos to come out. I watch them every time she puts one out. So please go check out Diamond Around You, and when she does her cover minders, be fast. Be fast, be fast, be fast. Okay, so guys, speaking of Hello Kitty, starting November 1st, I will be hosting, along with my co-host, which is going to be Richard from Real Men's Craft 2, a Hello Kitty paint-along. So anything Hello Kitty, anything feline. This is just a fun event. There are no prizes. It's just people getting together and also getting to know other creators. I would like for you guys to be in this video if you want to be included, and then I will have a list, and then that way you guys can watch, look for each creator that's going to be involved, and go visit other creators and see what they're about and what their channel is doing. So that's what this what the paint along event is about. It's just another way of developing more friends. From the first one that I was involved with, which I think was with Laura, Crafty Chef Diamond, I have met so many great people and so many great women, and so I just love it. So if you're wanting to reach out to other people, this would be a great opportunity to do it. So November 1st, you start your Hello Kitty or your feline. If you don't have a YouTube channel, you can send things to me, and I can put it on my Facebook page or on my Instagram page, and both of those are listed under Diamond Painting with Jack. You can also reach out to Richard at Real Men's Craft 2. Diamond Painting with Cajun also said that you could post on her Facebook page, which is Diamond Painting with Cajun, and Sharon from Pencil Surprises also said that you can post on her. So you have different platforms that you can get your work out. And if you don't have a diamond painting and you have a coloring page, perfect. If you're doing crocheting, cross stitch, it doesn't matter, just as long as you are enjoying yourself. And those are only two requirements: to be Hello Kitty or something feline. Okay? So I just want to say thank you again to Vivian, and I believe this is for the baby. So if you guys didn't know, that my daughter is having a baby, and it's a little boy, and he is due in February, the 2nd of February. And so Vivian was so sweet and sent a little something for the baby. So I actually am planning on seeing her tomorrow. I will let her open it, and then I will take a picture and post it on my Facebook page. Okay, guys, so that's really all I've got. So if you like this video, if you'll hit that like button on the way out, I would appreciate it. If you would like to become a part of my Struggle Bus family, if you'll hit the subscription button and also hit the bell to be notified each and every time that I put out a new video, I would appreciate that. I hope everybody's having a wonderful, wonderful Saturday, a wonderful weekend. And remember to be kind to one another, and keep cool and keep diamond painting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.